Good day, Doctor. We are from Group 52 and here is our team members. In this video, we will talk about our research on key factors that build a successful company, which is Apple Inc. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs and his friends Steve Wozniak and Ronald Wayne on 1 April 1976. With the debut of the Macintosh in 1984, Apple changed personal technology. Today, with the iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and Apple TV, Apple now leads the world in innovation. With years of hard work and correct decision, the Apple brand has gathered millions of loyal customers. Its success comes from many different factors, both external and internal, which is why in this research, we identify the criteria needed to build a successful company and the factors that play into the success of Apple Inc.
We have conducted an extensive literature review and internet search to understand the criteria for a successful brand. Then we have categorized those search into two factors, which are external factors and internal factors. Economic factors include economic growth, interest rates, exchange rates, and inflation. It is not enough to simply respond to the current economic situation, but it is also important to stay ahead of it. Competition prompts companies to improve in many ways. For example, they may need to adopt new technologies, be more innovative, expand their company, or implement different business strategies, and should obtain better information about customer preference or requirements to stay competitive. Political factors are the decisions and laws made by the government, like taxation policy, trade restriction and reform, tariffs, and political stability. They can have a serious impact on business, from their business method, operation, short-term and long-term goals, and even their overall strategy. Companies cannot achieve long-term success without adapting to new technology. We can see Nokia lost their market values because they failed to see the importance to evolve and follow trends, but Apple is completely opposite to it. Companies need to investigate social factors and figure out the do's and don'ts for each targeted area in order to suit the preference of consumer. User preference means everything for Apple, so before a product gets rolled out into the market, it goes through a lengthy process of reviews and tests to ensure it provides the best possible experience. With the right guidance and tools, employees are able to increase sales and revenue while decreasing the operating cost of company. To ensure good communication between its employee, Apple introduced Apple AloHab, which provides a daily summary of important information for employees. Apple aims to be a company that is environmentally friendly. It is also have a goal to leverage their ability to design and develop in order to have a competitive edge over the other competitors. Apple's long-term goal is to continue expanding by investing heavily in research and development, R&D, and to support the community. Financial resources are very crucial. If the company has sufficient cash flow on hand, it can seize the opportunity to make a long-term investment that may bring more revenue to the company.
Apple certainly made the right choices and secured the key factors required for success. Out of all the factors, 4 of them were the most influential in Apple's success. They are the competitive factor, technological factor, social factor, and financial capability. As stated above, the current market is heavily saturated with thousands of companies fighting for a segment of the market share. For more than a decade, Apple has successfully held on to its dominant position as they were able to fight off competitors and stay relevant. Apple must place heavy emphasis on using the most advanced technology to not lose out to other competitors. Moving on, good focus on the social factor allows Apple to capture the heart of consumers as they specify their wants and needs by always adapt to trends. Apple is one of the strongest companies in the world when it comes to financial capabilities. They are currently ranked second in financial strength, topping other top companies like Amazon and Alphabet. With their strong financial capabilities, they were able to invest $21.91 billion on research and development in 2021, which is around a $3 billion increase from 2020.
Based on the literature review, we can make several strategic recommendations for Apple to consider and implement. Firstly, Apple should consider expanding its brand in developing countries. People in these countries may not buy Apple products at full price. Therefore, Apple can sell its outdated products at discount prices in these countries. By doing so, Apple will be able to get rid of existing inventory and expand its market share at the same time. If Apple cannot sell the remaining inventory, they can consider recycling those parts in its new product. This can reduce the loss of sales caused by excess inventory. In addition, Apple needs to focus its investment on the research and development department. Apple needs to develop a steady stream of new products that bring new values to its customers. Specifically, their new products should be in line with the company's core business strategy, which emphasizes its unique value proposition. No matter how successful the brand is, the company should strive to extend the life cycle of existing products and turn them into a competitive advantage. In short, the company should continue to innovate as it is essential for future growth. Otherwise, they will face the risk of extinction. Other than that, Apple should acquire more innovative companies to look for new talents and technologies to strengthen its product and service. This is called an acquisition strategy. The strategy has helped many companies improve their software, hardware, and support services. Even the well-known voice assistant Siri resulted from an acquisition in 2010. For now, Apple needs to consider acquiring a microchip company to have their factories to develop better microchips. Today, the sales of Apple are declining as a result of stiff competition in the industry. Nevertheless, the company still stands out from its competitors. Therefore, this study aims to investigate the external and internal factors that contribute to the success of Apple, the largest technology giant. In this study, the success criteria required by the companies were first discussed under two aspects: external factors and internal factors. Although companies have no control over external factors, every company still needs to focus on competitive, political, technological, and social factors to achieve success. Other internal factors that companies should be aware of include corporate culture, employees, and financial resources. Based on the findings, the result shows that Apple has four key factors that lead to its success. Apple is competitive, utilizes trends, incorporates advanced technology, and has strong financial strength. In conclusion, the right combination of external and internal factors may enable the company to reach another new height.